All right, well, welcome back to the Reed property. Today we are closing on this property, so we thought we would take a after video of how well this project turned out. So if you watched the video previous to this on demolition day, you might remember that there was a massive bush right here. You can see we took that out and did some landscaping. We also have brand new siding, brand new windows. We've added some shutters, brand new roof, all here to the front. Everything fixed up. And yard is looking gorgeous with some landscaping. Got these poles, light poles out here all fixed up as well. Everything's looking good. And Dania is going to take us inside the house and walk us through the final product.
So, new door.
New door, yes. All right. And talk about this living space.
So if you remember from the first video, over here was a super awkward spiral staircase. We didn't take you up it because it was just that awkward. So we took that out and we actually built a proper stair
That's
here.
right.
So there's to code access to the upstairs now. The upstairs we never did go up there, but it was just one big empty room with a hole cut in it. So we'll take you up there now.
Now that we can actually make it up the stairs safely.
Our two code stairs. And the space up here is really small because of the peak of the roof. So we utilized over here, we utilized this little space as a storage cubby for someone. There's quite a bit of space back there. And then this is the first bedroom that we did. A twin bed fits there. Built in a little closet over here, so it actually can be a bedroom. There's still room for a dresser and stuff. Then this room is where we got really creative, and it was quite fun actually. Is that we cut the ceiling down for the stairs and created this little loft area, which would be super fun if you were a kid, I think. This would be the room I would want. So it's quite small, but there's room over here actually to fit a twin bed. New full egress window in here as well. But just kind of a fun room. Funky, but a fun place for kids. Oh, and I have to show you this. The people that are buying it, they apparently have a 14-year-old. And the 14-year-old is very excited. So I'm going to leave that there for them to...
And some of the fun stuff is trying to custom create a door.
Oh, yes.
You can kind of see that. That was, yeah, so kind of a cool little... Some of the funds we had in renovating this house is coming up with that kind of stuff, a custom door.
So that's our new two-code stairs. That weren't there before. And still have plenty of space for this massive living room. I don't know if it comes through on the video, but it's huge. You have room for another couch on that side. You can put your TV over here, put chairs over here. Like, still plenty of space in this living room. We also utilize underneath the stairs for a much needed coat closet. I like to put things in houses that I don't have at my house, like a coat closet. You can see it's full of staging and cleaning stuff right now, but big deep storage closet that didn't exist before.
And this is one of your most excited projects.
Yeah.
We talked about this in the first video.
We did. So if you remember, these bricks came out to about here, and it was super awkward to just walk through. There was nowhere to really put furniture around the fireplace, and so it was kind of dumb just sitting there. And so we were able to take the brick back to here, and then I washed it, cleaned it all up, added a little mantle, and now it's a cozy kind of sitting area. And we did discover, got the fireplace working, it's gas, and it is toasty. Like when we said before it was the only source of heat in this house, it was probably not that cold in here actually. But now with all new windows, all new insulation, new roof, new siding, and there's heaters in every room now, and this, I don't think it's going to be a problem. It's going to be, again, warmer than my house.
We'll talk a little bit about these floors.
These floors, I love, love, love these floors. We found them on clearance, so they were a fabulous price. They're a laminate, but they're 11 millimeters thick, so they're really nice, thick laminate. We flowed them throughout the main living areas of the house, and they were lovely to put in. They look beautiful. It's probably my favorite thing that we found for this house.
And in the previous video, you might remember Dania had just gotten done taking off all of these Or were they 1 foot by 1 foot tiles?
Yeah, the ceiling tiles.
Yeah, but now we have, we're all good to go now. We've got can lights in. For some reason my video just went blurry. There we go. Can lights in, all new sheetrocked.
Yeah.
Looking fantastic, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We decided not to take out this little chunk of fireplace. In the end, we thought it added a kind of a cool feature that was part of the old house. We like to leave things that remind people that the home has a history. And it's not just a brand new build, even though everything in it, inside and out, is brand new. We like to leave some of the old features. We did that in a couple places in here.
Into the dining room.
Into the dining room. So originally we wanted to keep, there was wood paneling in here. We wanted to cut it off and use it as like a wainscoting and then just sheetrock up above it. That ended up being more complicated than expensive. So sadly had to give that up. But just re-sheetrocked and everything here, new window.
It turned out to be a nice dining space.
Yeah.
Plenty of room for a table.
Yeah. And then the kitchen. Oh, the kitchen. We ended up changing the layout of the kitchen, partly because if you remember in the original layout, it was just going to be tons and tons of cabinets and countertop, which is awesome, also very expensive. And we weren't quite crazy about the galley layout. We wanted to change it so it didn't feel galley. So we actually took out the cabinets and stuff for the breakfast bar we were going to put here, and we made a peninsula and put it here. So it's a place for people to sit while someone's cooking, kids can sit and do their homework, and there's plenty of space to have. I mean, you could even fit 3 stools here.
Pretty easy.
Yeah.
But there was a doorway here.
Yes, there was a door.
About where that picture is.
Yeah, well, about like here into the hall, and it was awkward, took that out, so that's gone.
Yeah.
We did keep the ceiling, so we exposed all the ceiling, you remember it the last one, gave it a nice whitewash, and then trimmed it out, framed it out, so that it's part of the history of the house, and it adds a warmth, I think, to this very kind of modern kitchen.
Yeah.
Brand new windows, everything in the kitchen is brand new. I keep forgetting to turn on lights.
Yeah, that's okay.
Kitchen came out beautifully. Again,
Beautiful, beautiful kitchen.
so much nicer than my kitchen.
Yeah. We did the, I think one of my favorite features is we did the backsplash, but we ran the backsplash, as you can see over here, clear around the window. To kind of give it that, to kind of give it that finished all the way up to the ceiling look.
Yeah.
So. Yeah.
We'll go there on our way up.
Yep.
Yeah. So then we have our office room over here. And so we kept the built-in desk. We painted the paneling so it looks like wainscoting, trimmed it all out, new window, that's egress, because that's a big deal. We were going to raise the ceiling all the way up because this also had the super high ceilings, but in the end we just kept where the framing was and sheetrocked it, and because we had the funky with this cabinet and the closet, so we just decided we'll keep it there. But it's a nice little built-in. It'd be a great bedroom as well.
Yeah.
It could be an office.
Yeah, and that's a south-facing window, so a ton of light in those rooms.
Tons of
Really,
light,
really
and that
nice.
looks out onto the massive backyard.
Yeah.
And then this is our new bathroom. So if you remember before, the door to the bathroom was here, and then this was all hallway here. And so we moved the door to the bathroom here. We kept, this is one of my favorites. So this is the original siding to the original house. And so we kept that exposed. Again, we framed it out, gave it a nice whitewash so it looks clean but still antiqued and old. And so yeah, there's still some of that history here, but the rest of the bathroom, and it's a huge bathroom, and it's massive. That's the bathroom, all brand new tub in here. But yeah, huge bathroom, plenty of room for guests or kids.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is where we brought the door to the master bedroom out. So this used to be hallway, and then you turned and went into a room. We brought the door to here because why waste space having a hallway? And so this is now the huge master suite.
And we took out those two. There were 2
there
closets,
were
about
2
where you're
closets
standing. Yeah.
right here. And so we took those out. Put in a massive window to the backyard. So it's just stunning. And the only thing better would have been French doors to the backyard, but you know, had to draw the lines in there. The window's big enough, it could almost be a French door. Did a barn door here to lead you into your brand new, that used to be an awkward back porch, but now it's your master bathroom with vaulted ceilings that go all
I'm going to turn on the
way up.
lights.
shower is huge. I don't know if you can tell. I mean, if I get in it, can you tell how?
It's just how amazingly big it is.
I mean, I'm tall,
Yeah,
and it's like,
yeah. And again, we ran the tile all the way to the top. Just gives it a really nice finished, clean look.
yeah, it just looks so high end. I mean, this shower thing is so tall. Like,
Yeah.
6'8" person could buy this house and be super comfortable in this bathroom.
Yeah. This turned out so good. This was just wasted space. Moved the closets in here then as well. So just
Yeah.
just a very, simple closet in here as well. So,
Now you have your master closet. New window. We moved the window.
yeah. Just turned out great.
Yeah.
A little added feature in this house.
So last thing is we took and finished out this little back hallway, because before this was the door to go into this awkward little room that nobody really knew what it was. I mean, it was a back porch addition at some point in its life. So again, vaulted this up here. Had a heck of a time finding. This is a door from a mobile home store, because that's the size of door that fit here. Because originally the ceiling was so low, they had to put in a really short door, and that was very hard to find. Note to self. And then partially framed this out. Did not put doors on it, just because that allows people to get whatever size washer and dryer they want. But it is, the width of it would work to put on closet doors if you get a washer and dryer that would fit. And then that brings us out to our freshly painted massive back deck.
There was a hot tub, I think, in the original one right there where the stairs are going down. You can see the. So.
There's a big hot tub here, which is weird.
Yeah, so took that out and kind of just squared off the big, beautiful deck.
And then that leads you out to your massive, huge backyard.
And
With a fresh painted swing set.
in the original video, this was all overgrown. So I was able to clean this all up. We found this pond. We thought there was something in there. Those were all overgrown with blackberry bushes.
Yeah, and it's actually in really good shape if people wanted to use it again.
But yeah, gorgeous backyard. So that's the Reed property.
Yep.
So before and after.